Oh my gosh, there's nothing to do other than watching.
Just deal with it, Chrissy. It's the start of the holidays.
I got an idea. Ha 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 ha. Now, I'll activate it. Ha 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 ha.
Attention. Attention. A bomber has been reported in Elmo City. Lock your doors and cover your windows. This is not a test.
Now time to get out of here. Dad. Didn't you heard the news? We must hide.
Really? Attention. Attention. The EAS alarm is fake. Someone snuck in and activated the alarm. Once again, the EAS alarm is fake. Now, back to your scheduled channel.
I wonder who started this?
Do you think? Attention, it was Chrissy who started the EAS. She will pay a fine of $50,000 for this. Stay over there now. Chrissy. How dare you started the EAS? That's it, you're grounded for a solid month. Go upstairs to your room, right now.
No 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 no.